Looking for top-notch Bow Windows Washington, D.C. installation services? Our team of window installation experts specializes in custom bow windows and energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home is both stylish and sustainable. With our bow window solutions, you can enhance your home's curb appeal and enjoy the benefits of insulated windows that help reduce energy costs. Trust our bow window contractors in DC for the best bow window replacement and installation services featuring bow windows Washington, D.C. homeowners love. When it comes to window replacement services, our Washington, D.C. window replacement experts offer comprehensive solutions, including window frame replacement and window glass replacement for bow windows Washington, D.C. residents rely on. Whether you need double-pane windows or vinyl bow windows, our residential window services cater to all your needs. We provide affordable bow windows in Washington, D.C., ensuring you get the best value for your investment in bow windows Washington, D.C. Our bow window installation services in Washington, D.C. are second to none, especially for homeowners seeking bow windows Washington, D.C. property upgrades. From bow window frame installation to window sealing services, we ensure your windows are in top condition. Our window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations, keeping your bow windows Washington, D.C. functioning optimally. For bow window renovation in Washington, D.C., our team offers innovative bow window design and bow window styles to match your home's aesthetic. Considering a home window upgrade with bow windows Washington, D.C.? Our window contractor DC team provides expert window fitting services and window renovation solutions. We specialize in custom bow window installation DC, offering a range of bow window styles Washington, D.C. to suit your preferences for bow windows Washington, D.C. With our bow window installation experts DC, you can expect seamless installation and superior craftsmanship. For those concerned about window replacement cost for bow windows Washington, D.C., our bow window replacement cost Washington services offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Our bow window installation cost DC is transparent, ensuring no hidden fees for your bow windows Washington, D.C. project. Choose our bow window services Washington, D.C. for reliable and efficient window solutions. Our bow window design experts DC are ready to transform your home with beautiful, energy-efficient bow windows Washington, D.C. In need of bow window installation services Washington for bow windows Washington, D.C. homes? Our team is equipped to handle all your window installation Washington, D.C. needs, from minor fixes to major overhauls. We offer bow window glass replacement DC and bow window frame installation Washington to restore your bow windows Washington, D.C. to their original glory. Our bow window maintenance Washington services ensure your windows remain in excellent condition year-round. For the best bow window replacement Washington featuring bow windows Washington, D.C., look no further. Our bow window installation services DC are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and durability for bow windows Washington, D.C. properties. With our bow window upgrade services Washington, you can enjoy the latest in window technology and design. Contact our bow window contractor Washington, D.C. today for a consultation and discover the difference our bow window solutions Washington can make for your bow windows Washington, D.C. home. Bow window installation services in Washington, D.C. are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency with bow windows Washington, D.C. Our team of window installation experts specializes in custom bow window installation DC, ensuring that each bow windows Washington, D.C. project is tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. With a focus on quality and precision, we provide the best bow window replacement Washington has to offer for bow windows Washington, D.C. Energy-efficient bow windows Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for those seeking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of insulated windows and double-pane windows ensures that your bow windows Washington, D.C. home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer. As leading Washington, D.C. window replacement experts, we offer a range of energy-efficient windows, including bow windows Washington, D.C. residents trust to suit any style and budget. For those in need of window installation, Washington, D.C. For Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. Our comprehensive window installation services cover everything from bow window installation to window frame replacement. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle any window installation services Washington, D.C. residents may require for Bow Windows, Washington, D.C., ensuring that your windows are restored to their original condition. Custom bow windows, Washington, D.C. are a fantastic way to add character and charm to your home. Our bow window design experts, D.C. work closely with clients to create unique and personalized Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. solutions that enhance both the interior and exterior of their homes. Whether you're interested in vinyl bow windows or more traditional styles, we have the expertise to bring your Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. vision to life. Window replacement services for Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. are a crucial aspect of maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our window contractor DC team provides top-notch window renovation and window fitting services, ensuring that your new Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. are installed with precision and care. We offer affordable Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. residents can rely on for quality and durability. Bow Window Solutions, Washington. For Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. From bow window styles, Washington, D.C. to bow window installation cost, D.C., we provide comprehensive services that cover every aspect of Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. installation and maintenance. Our bow window experts are dedicated to delivering exceptional results that exceed client expectations. Window maintenance services for Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. are essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they function optimally. Our window sealing services and bow window maintenance Washington offerings help prevent drafts and leaks in Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. homes, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Trust our bow window contractors in D.C. to provide the maintenance services your Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. need. Bow window replacement cost, Washington. For Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. can vary depending on the size and complexity of the project. Our team provides transparent pricing and detailed estimates to help you make informed decisions about your Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. replacement needs. As the best bow window replacement Washington provider, we are committed to offering competitive pricing without compromising on quality for Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. Residential bow windows, Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Our bow window installation experts, D.C. specialize in creating beautiful, functional Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. that add value and appeal to any home. With a focus on craftsmanship and attention to detail, we deliver Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. results that stand the test of time. Bow window installation services, Washington. For Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. are essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your windows. Our experienced technicians provide comprehensive bow window frame installation, Washington, and bow window glass replacement, D.C. services for Bow Windows, Washington, D.C. to ensure your windows remain in top condition.